In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design emails in Figma for Klaviyo. We'll start right inside Figma. Open Figma in browser or app and head to the community section and use the search bar to look for terms like Klaviyo email templates. You'll find a variety of pre-designed options. Choose a template that fits your brand's style or campaign goals. Click Open in Figma and duplicate it to your own workspace so you can begin editing without altering the original. Before diving into the template, build a simple brand board in your Figma file. Define your core fonts and colors, then save them as text styles and color styles, so they're easy to apply consistently. Create reusable components for elements you'll use across emails, like headers, footers, buttons, and social icons. Turning these into components means you can update styles once and have the changes cascade throughout all your templates. Keeping everything clean and on brand. With your template open, start customizing. Replace placeholder headlines and body copy with your campaign messaging. And swap in your colors and typography using the styles you set up. If you are using a UI library such as Marka, open the Assets tab and drag pre-made components like hero sections, product cards, or footers directly into your email frame. This speeds up layout while keeping design consistent. Be intentional about what appears above the fold. Place your core offer, supporting headline, and a single, primary call to action at the top, so readers see it without scrolling. Keep CTAs short and action-oriented, and make sure the button contrasts clearly with the background for accessibility and clarity. Aim for a healthy balance of images and text. Try to keep images under about 60% of the total content. This helps avoid spam filters and supports deliverability. Use live text for headlines and body copy wherever possible, and reserve images for banners, product photos, and decorative elements. When you are ready to export, select the Slice tool to capture banners, logos, and product images precisely. Export photos as JPG for smaller file sizes, and logos or graphics with transparency as PNG. Name files clearly and keep sizes optimized so they load quickly. Finally, move into Klaviyo and upload your exported images into image blocks. Add concise, descriptive alt text to each image to improve accessibility and provide context if images don't load. Match paddings and spacing from your Figma layout so the final email mirrors your design closely. That's it. Thanks for watching.